Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AWS Cognito for user management in no-code apps. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the AWS Management Console. Log in to your AWS account using your credentials. Once you are on the AWS Management Console, search for Cognito in the Services search bar. Select Cognito from the list of services. In the Cognito dashboard, click on Manage User Pools. Next, click on the Create a User Pool button. You will be prompted to name your user pool. Enter a name that reflects its purpose. After naming your user pool, click on Review Defaults. This will bring you to a review. Here, you can customize settings as per your application requirements. After customization, click on Create Pool to finalize your user pool setup. Once your user pool is created, you will be taken to its dashboard. On the dashboard, you will find various settings, such as users and groups and app clients. To create an app client, click on App Client, then, click on the Add an App Client button. Enter a name for your app client, and adjust the settings according to your needs. Ensure to uncheck the Generate Client Secret box if you are working with a no-code application. Click on Create App Client to proceed. After creating your app client, make note of the app client ID, as you will need this later. Now, navigate back to the user pool dashboard. Click on Domain Name on the left sidebar. Here, you can set up a custom domain for your user pool. Enter your desired domain name and click Save Changes. Next, scroll down to Federation and click on Identity Providers. If needed, configure third-party identity providers such as Google or Facebook. Return to the left sidebar and click on Users and Groups. Here, you can manually add users if necessary. To add a user, click on the Create User button. Fill in the required user information and click Create User. Now that your user pool is ready, proceed to integrate it into your no-code application. Refer to your no-code platform's documentation for guidance on integrating AWS Cognito. Most platforms will require your user pool ID and app client ID. Enter the necessary information into your no-code application's AWS Cognito integration settings. Once set up, test the user registration and login flow to ensure everything works smoothly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.